I honestly thought reviewing a UX tool like UX Pilot was going to be easy, like a quick setup and done. I was so wrong. I spent days trying to figure out user flows, wasted hours on sticky notes and endless Figma revisions, and nothing looked the way I wanted. It was literally so overwhelming. You imagine a smooth user journey, an app or website that just makes sense to people the moment they use it. But translating that vision into flows and wireframes can quickly turn into a maze of decisions. If you're trying to make your first real UX project without overcomplicating everything, I want to show you the 4 steps that completely changed how I do this and will help you get a user-friendly, professional website or app way faster. The link to UX Pilot is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Setting up your first project in UX Pilot. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started with UX Pilot and seeing how fast you can launch your first design project. This is the moment where things finally start to feel simple again. Instead of staring at a blank canvas wondering where to begin, you actually feel like you're moving forward immediately. And honestly, that first moment of clarity after being stuck for so long is incredibly satisfying. When I signed up for UX Pilot, I literally had my first project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how clean the dashboard was. No scary menus, just a big Create New Project button. It felt like one of those tools where the moment you open it, you instantly understand what to do next. No digging through complicated settings, no hunting for hidden options. Everything is right where you expect it to be, which makes the whole experience feel way more welcoming, especially if you're just getting started with UX design. First, we start by going to the UX Pilot website and clicking Sign Up. Then, enter your email, create a password, and confirm your account. Next, log in and click Create New Project on the dashboard. After that, give your project a name and select your platform, website, mobile app, or both. Meanwhile, you'll see a super cute template gallery. Pick one that matches your idea or start from scratch. Here's what most people don't know. UX Pilot's templates are totally customizable, so you can start with a blog, a shop, or even a dashboard and change anything you want later. This is honestly one of those features that takes the pressure off immediately. You don't have to feel like you're committing to something permanent. Templates are just a starting point, a way to get momentum going. Once your project is open, you can reshape everything to match your idea. But the real game changer is how UX Pilot's AI helps you map out your user flows in seconds. Step 2. Generate user flows and wireframes with AI. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Using UX Pilot's AI to map out your user experience and wireframes without any design skills. This is the moment where you realize you're not doing everything alone anymore. Instead of trying to manually plan every screen and connection yourself, the AI becomes a super helpful guide that helps you structure your idea in a way that actually makes sense for users. When I clicked AI Flow and typed, I want a sign-up flow with email verification and onboarding, the AI literally built the whole flowchart and wireframes for me. I was like, wait, this is a game changer. Seeing the entire journey appear on the screen in seconds was honestly one of those moments where you realize how much time you've been wasting doing things manually before. Suddenly, what used to take hours of sketching and reorganizing becomes something you can generate almost instantly. First, click on Add Flow or select a template flow to edit. Then, click the AI Flow or AI Assistant button. Next, describe your user journey in simple words, like add a checkout process with cart, payment, and confirmation. After that, let the AI generate the flowchart and wireframes. Meanwhile, drag and drop steps to rearrange or click to edit any part. Here's what most people don't know. UX Pilot's AI can suggest best practice flows based on real user data. If you're not sure what steps you need, just ask the AI for recommendations. Sometimes the hardest part of UX design isn't building the screens. It's figuring out what should happen next in the journey. Having the AI suggest logical steps helps you avoid those moments where you're stuck wondering what the user should see after the previous screen. But the real magic is how easy it is to test your flows and get real feedback. Step 3. Test and iterate with built-in user testing. Now here comes my super practical part. Testing your user flows and getting feedback without hiring a single tester. This is where things start to feel real, because instead of just imagining how people might interact with your design, you actually get to see how the experience performs. When I used UX Pilot's built-in user testing, the AI literally simulated real users clicking through my app. I could see where people got stuck and what they loved. I literally fixed 3 issues in under 10 minutes. There were little moments where users hesitated or took an extra step that I didn't even notice while designing, and seeing those patterns made it incredibly easy to improve the flow right away. First, click Test Flow or User Testing in your project. Then, select the flow or wireframe you want to test. Next, let the AI simulate user interactions and highlight pain points. After that, review the AI's feedback and suggested improvements. Meanwhile, make changes directly in the flow or wireframe editor. Here's what most people don't know. UX Pilot's AI can even predict drop-off points and suggest microcopy or design tweaks to keep users moving forward. It's literally a game changer for conversion rates. Instead of guessing why users might leave a process halfway through, you get insights that help you smooth out those friction points before the product even launches. But the real super cute part is how fast you can export your designs and hand them off to your team. Step 4. Export, share, and hand off to developers. Now here comes my favorite finishing part, exporting your project and sharing it with your team or developers. This is the step where your idea finally leaves the design stage and starts turning into something real. When I clicked Export, UX Pilot literally gave me a shareable link, a PDF, and even code snippets for my dev team. I was totally obsessed. My designer friend said, "This is the cleanest handoff I've ever seen." Everything was organized in a way that made it super easy for others to understand the structure of the project. First, click the Export or Share button in the top right corner. Then, choose your export format, link, PDF, or code snippets. Next, send the link to your team, stakeholders, or developers. After that, use the built-in comment and feedback tools to collaborate in real time. Meanwhile, you can always go back and update your project. Just make changes and re-export. Here's what most people don't know. UX Pilot's exports are developer-ready so your team can start building right away. No more endless back and forth or confusion. Instead of explaining every small detail manually, your developers can immediately see how everything connects. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. Let's talk about the bottom line. Because the difference is staggering. If you hired a professional UX designer, you're looking at $5,000 to $20,000. If you decided to learn traditional UX design, that's 6 to 12 months of classes and practice before you even start. With UX Pilot, we're talking about less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers. And in one weekend, your user flows and wireframes are done. But this isn't just about money. This is about momentum. It's the difference between waiting for months and starting to shape your experience almost immediately. It's going from someday to today. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I'm not a creative person? Then you're in luck, because the AI handles the creative heavy lifting for you. Your job is simply to guide it. What if I don't even know what flows I need? UX Pilot's AI has your back. It analyzes your idea and suggests the most effective flows based on real user data. Won't my designs look generic? Not a chance. You have complete control to customize every single detail. The AI adapts to your brand, not the other way around. Is it really beginner-friendly? Absolutely. If you can drag and drop, you can design with this tool. It's that simple. So what do you get? Immediate results. Go from a blank page to a clear UX flow, and wireframes in hours, not months. A social win. Finally have something tangible to show your friends, family, or team. Your idea visualized. A financial win. Save thousands of dollars on consulting and design fees and reinvest that money back into your vision. A creative win. Express your full vision without the stress of a steep learning curve. Just pure creation. Ready to experience the smart way to design? Click the link in the description to try UX Pilot for yourself. No special code needed. Just click and go. Join our community. Drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. Your dream project is literally just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen together.